Argument and citations. A. De novo review is required for legal sufficiency while factual findings are reviewed for abuse of discretion. The question of whether a pre-filing order meets the statutory definition of the vexatious litigant statute is a question of law review de novo. Bravo v. Ismich 2002, 99. Cal at 4 211. The order violates due process and CCP 391. A pre-filing order cannot stand if the underlying cases were dismissed without prejudice, as they do not constitute litigation finally determined adversely to the person. Finke, Shentov, 2010, 180 Calap for 1160. See Judicial Conflict Canon 3. Judge Hamilton's refusal to recuse himself while ruling on the validity of his own prior contested order creates an appearance of partiality. Under CCP 170.18, judge is disqualified if the person aware of the facts might reasonably entertain a doubt that the judge would be able to be impartial. IV. Conclusion. Petitioner has provided this court with all the documents and materials provided to the lower court. Presiding Judge Jeffrey Hamilton, starting with the disqualification followed by the ex parte application to vacate the pre-filing order. The indisputable evidence in the exhibits exhibit for court. Minute order dockets include minute order Judge Dale K. March 15, 2013. Entire case dismissed without prejudice. Exhibit 102024 District Attorney Complaint I-25 to 4653, showing of a material change in the facts reported. Exhibit 3 American Contractors Attorney Letter from M. Joseph Rosas shows Johnson is not a beneficiary on the deeds of trust, and American Contractor were the only ones who could issue any demand for payment. Exhibit 7 Judge Hamilton's June 8, 2011 vexatious order. 7 out of 9 cases dismissed without prejudice fails. Statutory requirements and more. The willful blindness of Judge Hamilton sends a clear indication of a court cover-up and conspiracy aiding defendants in bold-faced fraud, false representation of a surety bondholder extorting almost 50,000 by the use of forged bail bond. The trust with a falsified notary is outrageous. The relief sought. Petitioner respectfully requests that presiding judge will in this court 1. Grant the request to file new litigation by this writ of mandate. 2. Exercise de novo review to find that the 2011 pre-filing order never met the statutory requirements. 3. Find that Judge Hamilton's February 19, 2026 order is void as it was issued during a period of disqualification and constitutes an abuse of discretion. 4. Issue an order commanding the Fresno Superior Court to vacate the pre-filing order and remove petitioner from the vexatious litigant list immediately.